Hello everyone. So if you want to install apps from an unknown sources on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, you're to open up your settings. Now you are to scroll down to your privacy protection. Open it up. Scroll down to your special permissions. Now find your install unknown apps permission. Open it up. Here you'll get a list of all the applications. Now you are to choose, for example, Google Chrome or whatever. Choose the application it uses. An app from unknown sources, right? So choose Chrome and tap on the switch near allow for the source. Now you'll get a warning reminding you that this app is from unverified sources, might be unsafe. Always prioritize the security of your device and data. So if you're agreed to everything, press OK, and that's it. If you change your mind, you can always return to this list, tap on the same exact application like Chrome and switch it off. As easy as that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.